Hello, it's Jim and Tech, and we've got the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here we are, same packaging as we are used to, and that's it there. So let's get it off and have a look. Now we will be getting cases and all that stuff in, so any manufacturers watching the usual, send them on. Any questions, feel free to ask. And that's it there. So that's the phone, and in here we have got booklets and a cable. That's it. No plugs, anything like that, no screen protector, no case. The usual, and that's what a lot of people are complaining about these days. When you're spending that money on a phone, put those little things in. But it does feel a little bit lighter than the previous model. You can see now the corners are more rounded, which is welcome. Camera design is pretty much the same. Only you'll see this time around, we get this to focus a bit better, these look like caps on top rather than built into the frame. You can see your antenna lines. Of course, you've got your S Pen minus Bluetooth, which again is another strange decision, but yeah, now to be honest, I'd never use that pen a whole lot, but it does come in handy sometimes. It's always better to have it than not. And that's it there, just slides back in. There is the front of the screen. SIM tray, USB-C, mic, speaker, and you'll have another speaker up top there. Keys on the side, and that's it there. But you can see it's a big phone, but yeah, even for me it's a big phone, but Ultra always the best, I suppose. Let's see if we've got any power. And my power cable has gone missing. We'll find it in a minute. But that's it there. You've got small bezels again, same as last year. But I do like this flatter design. So you can see it from the front here. It's got that flat design, which I prefer, which is nice. And that's what it's going to look like when it turns on. And we do have a bit of battery in there. Start. And we'll go down here. Go down to R. No. Gaelge. And we'll put in, just go up here once more just before we click into that. See, the English United Kingdom, we'll go and just use that there. And you've got the usual stuff in here. And what we'll do is we'll set it up, and then we'll do a separate video going through. We'll do a separate video of all that stuff going through later on after connecting to this phone, because obviously Android. So I can sign in, copy and all that kind of stuff there and set up manual. So we're going to sign in, copy everything across as we normally do. So we have everything running as you would, testing the phone properly. All the apps I use every day, and get real life statistics rather than the usual standard bog answers you might get. But yeah, so my phone would have more apps than anyone else, but that's the way you test the phone. And when you're doing the stuff I do, you have more apps than normal people would use normally. So yeah, that's it as a tech reviewer. But yeah, that's the camera array on the back there, as you can see. Pretty much the same as before, your flashing there. And that's it there in short. That's what the first look at this phone looks like for the moment. And we will speak to you later on. Stay tuned for more. And of course, cases coming for this phone. Speak to you then.